Have you ever wondered why bad people often win? Why corrupt officials sleep soundly on soft mattresses, while honest people lie awake at night worrying about loan payments? And in the middle of that destruction, you comfort yourself with the deadliest mantra of all. It's okay, God will repay them someday, or karma is not blind. Stop. Stop lying to yourself. Welcome to Dharma Friday Incognito.
Fall back, and I'll be gone, like the darkness at dawn.
Today we are taking off the mask of holiness that you've been wearing for so long. We are going to dissect a bitter truth. Many of us become good people, not because we are virtuous, but because we are weak. The title today is harsh, I know. Don't be a stupid good person. But trust me, the world does not need more sheep ready to be slaughtered in the name of patience. The world needs conscious lions. If this title offends you, perhaps your ego is trying to protect your weakness. Watch until the end, and let's see whether you are truly good or simply powerless. Let's borrow Friedrich Nietzsche's glasses for a moment. This philosopher introduced a concept that is extremely relevant to modern religious communities: slave morality. Nietzsche argued that there are two types of morality. First, master morality, the morality of the strong, the brave, the successful, and the powerful. Second, slave morality, the morality of the weak. These slaves envy their masters, but because they have no strength to fight back, no money, no power, they hack the concept of morality itself. They flip reality on its head. The master's traits, decisiveness, and ambition are labeled as evil and greedy. Meanwhile, the slave's traits, submission, fear, and powerlessness, are rebranded as patience, simplicity, and sincerity. Ask your conscience. Do you really dislike money? Or are you simply unable to earn it, and then hide behind the phrase, "Money isn't everything. What matters is peace of mind"? Do you truly forgive those who cheated you? Or are you just afraid that if you fight back, you will lose again? If you are good only because you have no other choice, that is not goodness. That is incapacity. According to Nietzsche, you're not a holy person. You are just a weak person using theological excuses to feel morally superior. So what about the teachings of the Buddha? Aren't we taught metta, loving kindness, and khanti, patience? Don't misunderstand. In Buddhist and Tibetan psychology, there is a very sharp term: idiot compassion, stupid compassion. This happens when you give without wisdom, panya. You think you're being kind by letting your friend borrow money for gambling again, in the name of friendship. You think you're being a good wife by allowing your husband to commit domestic violence in the name of faithful. That is not compassion. That is enabling. You are facilitating wrongdoing. The Buddha taught panya, wisdom, alongside karuna, compassion. Without wisdom, your kindness becomes poison. When you are repeatedly deceived and say, "Karma will take care of it," you are actually misusing the concept of karma. Karma is not a debt collector or a hitman you can command through the prayers of the oppressed. Karma is the law of cause and effect. If the cause is that you are naive, you do not check facts, you are lazy to think, and you easily believe sweet promises, then the effect is that you get deceived. Do not blame smart criminals. Blame good people who are lazy to think. Ehipassiko. Come and see for yourself. The Buddha told us to be critical, not blindly fanatic. If you claim to be a Buddhist but become soft and easily manipulated, you are not practicing the Dhamma. You are practicing intellectual laziness. Modern world is cruel. It is full of fake priestly castes, influencers, motivators, even religious figures who sell poverty as a virtue while they themselves live luxuriously off your donations. They want you to remain weak so they can keep their followers. So what is the solution? Should we become evil? Of course not. The solution is to become an Uberman with the soul of a Bodhisattva. Be financially strong, intellectually sharp, and strategically smart. Pursue your career, build your business, sharpen your critical thinking. Make sure you have sharp teeth and claws. But that is where the key lies. After you gain the power to destroy, you choose not to use it for evil. You choose goodness, not because you are forced to, but because it is a conscious decision. Imagine how powerful goodness is when it is carried out by someone who has power. Compare that to the goodness of someone who can only surrender. A bodhisattva is not a weak figure who sits still. Look at the reliefs of Borobudur. Look at the statues of Mahakala. They are fierce, they are firm, they destroy ignorance, moha. They do not simply surrender in the face of injustice. So, friends of the Young Buddhist Association, stop lulling yourself to sleep with the mantra, "God will repay it later." God and the law of nature have already given you a brain to think, instincts to survive, and a heart to weigh right and wrong. Use them. Do not be a victim. Be the author of your own life history. If this video makes you angry, good. That means your ego has been disturbed. But if this video makes you aware, welcome to our ranks. I am inviting you to rebel. Rebel against the laziness of your own mind. Don't be a stupid good person. Be a good person who is intelligent, strong, and dangerous to evil. Write in the comments, "I am good by choice, not because I am weak." See you in the next Dharma Friday Incognito. Namo Buddhaya.